Research examination, and today I am dealing with biology, and we have 5 questions of biology, especially of the cells and tissues. So let's deal with that. The first question is, cell were discovered by whom? It is a question of scientist. Which scientist discovered the cell? For the first time, which scientist discovered the cell? It is an easy question. Option 1, Robert Hooke. 2, Leeuwenhoek. 3, Purkinje. 4, Virchow. Sorry, I wrote 3 instead of 4. It was a mistake. So what may be the answer? And the answer is 1, Robert Hooke. You may know this answer because in our high school classes we learn about cell. So there this question arises. So next question, let's move to the next question. Nuclear material without cover is found in dash. I repeat, nuclear material without cover is found in dash. Option 1, mycoplasm. Option 2, bacteria and fungi. Option 3, bacteria and blue-green algae. Option 4, none of the above. So which may be the answer? And the answer is option 3, bacteria and blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. So let's move to the next question. Chromosomes are made up of dash. So in Kerala, this question arises in the 10th standard. The mechanism of chromosomes, or which factors are present inside the chromosomes. Learning about DNA arises in the 10th standard in the Kerala syllabus. So what are chromosomes made up of? DNA is a factor in the chromosomes. We know that DNA, which means deoxyribonucleic acid, is present in chromosomes. RNA is part of DNA. So protein is also present in chromosomes. So the answer is option 3, DNA and protein. Answer is DNA and protein. Next question. The suicide bags of the cells are dash. The suicide bags of the cells are dash. This is a special question. Let's see what may be the suicide bags of the cell. Option 1, plastids. Option 2, mitochondria. Option 3, lysosomes. Option 4, ribosomes. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. So can mitochondria be the suicide bags? No. Ribosomes are known as the suicide bags of the cells. I repeat, ribosomes are known as the suicide bags of the cell. Let's move to the next question. Thickening of the walls of the sclerenchyma is due to dash. The thickening of the walls of the sclerenchyma is due to dash. Sclerenchyma is a simple permanent tissue of the plant. It's a plant tissue. There are 3 types of simple permanent tissue in plants. One is the parenchyma, other is the collenchyma, and the other one is the sclerenchyma. In sclerenchyma, which is a tissue, the cells are dead. They are long and narrow. Walls are thickened due to the deposition of a factor. What may be the factor? Option 1, suberin. Option 2, magnesium. Option 3, lignin. Option 4, calcium. And the answer is option 3, lignin. So answer is option 3, lignin. So we have finished our 5 questions today. I think these questions have got into your mind. Don't forget these questions. These are important questions of cells and tissues. There may be more questions in future. I will make more questions, more videos related to biology and other subject too, chemistry and physics and social science too, social studies. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.